How to start your vehicle after lockdown. The chances are high that your vehicle battery might have drained during the lockdown chapter. So, how to fix or how to start your vehicle when your vehicle battery is down. This could be a major issue after lockdown. There are some simple ways through which you can prevent draining your vehicle battery. Let's have a look at the tips to restart after lockdown. Well, starting your car, you need to keep in mind jump usually done from another vehicle. Make sure you protect the donor battery by matching the voltage with the dead battery. Before starting your vehicle, check the engine ground connection and corrosion. Give a soft thump with a hammer on the starter and push the car to start. If your car ends with a bad starter, try giving it a carburetor cleaner or an air mattress pump. Thank you for watching the video. www.carburetor.com